Distance Map tool dates almost to the beginning of dental system and has been developed by one of the 3Shape founders. After 15 years of service, we decided that we can improve on this tool by giving it a bigger distance range, comparing any scans, and live view of the changes during sculpting. New Distance Map tool is enabled by clicking on a distance map icon in Toolbar on the right side of the screen. New window will pop out with options to select scans to compare, distances and the color scale. Choose scans to compare, and distances you are interested in viewing. You can sculpt, scale or morph while the tool is on. This tool can be used in various different situations. We can use it for fixed restorations, including implant cases, removable partial dentures, especially during design of occlusal rests, full dentures, as well as measuring distances between the models. Distance Map tool also allows to compare scan to scan. Therefore, it's also possible to use it for quality control on scan alignment, regardless if it's a pre-prep scan or a diagnostic scan made in the past. Now let's take a closer look at the tools available. Active Model is an active item usually indicated in a top left menu with gray arrows. We will see our distance map projected on this object. Reference Model is a surface to which we will be comparing Active Model to. Distance Values. Here we can set values for color visualizations of distances between objects. They can be set from -1 up to 2 millimeters. Highlight Selected Model. This feature helps determine what is an active and what is a reference model. Enabling this feature, Active Model will be highlighted in green and Reference Model in blue. Heat Map Color Scale is a clear visualization of distances indicated on the surface. Using plus button, you can create custom model set. Holding cursor over plus button will give you instructions how to add or remove elements of the custom model set. It is also possible to remove or rename model sets using corresponding buttons. You can easily add models to the case, and those will be also added to active and reference model list. This tool is being introduced in Dental System 2024 and will continue to develop according to your feedback.